Okay, now we are standing on the fourth floor of the flat which is being constructed, and why I'm doing this as a video is to give clear perspectives on each and every window outside. So I will take it at this happens to be the window view from the living room. This is the wall. Right now, assume that a person is standing here or in the center. This is the view he gets, right? Keep moving leftwards. This, I guess, will be a bedroom. The right hand side bedroom. This is the I think this was this is a part of the living room. This is the balcony of the living room. There. This becomes the so-called first bedroom. This is the so-called first bedroom. And to put things in perspective, this is the absolute view from the bedroom. Now come to the other bedroom. The other bedroom is where the balcony is. This being the balcony. This is the view from the second bedroom. Now reverse it. I'm just going to take a turn and come to the bedroom on the southwest, the so-called master bedroom. The master bedroom will show this. Now the loo, the toilet, has this view from the window, if there is a window. And the master bedroom shows this. There's enough reason to believe that those pink flowers, if they can be seen in this video, are going to bear relevance in the future. Bougainvilleas, I guess. And this is the view you get from the bedroom. Now you notice there's not much of that going to come up, so your tree is going to be a little far away, giving you a little bit of space. There's good amount of breeze flowing now. Now come to the other bedroom, what we call the left hand side bedroom. This loo has this tree, and move leftwards. The view from the window, as we call it. The view from the window is this. I'm guessing those trees will grow, so probably it'll get completely covered by a green mass. Come to the so-called service balcony. The service balcony also shows promise. Now, try to notice that this will get, if it gets a little bit more dense, let's say for those example, those leaves which are as of now showing you the atmosphere building, if they can kind of come together, you'll have a nice green foliage here. Come here further, and this is what you have here. Again, a tree. Fantastic. Now, that's the end of the recording from here. To take things in perspective, on the fourth floor, this is your view of other stuff happening. Right? Say maybe, just for teasing sake, you can see a car coming home when you want to see whether some in the flyover. That's the Marriott, that's ITC, and all that jazz.